Hello friends, this video brings to you an amazing recipe for muffins with the blend of red currants and chia seeds. I have also included the nutritive value of the recipe here. So let's get started. First, take a bowl, place a sieve over it, add white flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now we are going to sift all the dry ingredients together. This helps to remove the lumps and also makes the flour smooth. Here our dry mix is ready, set it aside. Now for the wet mix, take 1 large egg, add almond extract. Here instead of the almond extract, you can also go for the vanilla extract. Beat them together at medium to high speed. Beat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add powdered sugar. Combine them together and beat for another 1 to 2 minutes or till it turns creamy. Now add vegetable oil. Then I'm adding unsweetened evaporated milk. You can also go for the normal milk. Combine them together and our wet mix is also done. Just keep it aside. In this recipe, we are going to use the fresh red currants. Red currants are good sources of antioxidants and flavonoids, which protects the body from oxidative stress, fights infections, and strengthens the immune system. They are rich in minerals like iron, copper, potassium, and manganese, which are essential for new blood formation, lowers blood pressure, and protects the heart. When consumed regularly, they work wonders for those suffering from diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. But remember, when taken in excess at a time, can lead to vomiting and diarrhea. Now add some white flour to it and coat them nicely. This helps the fruit from sinking to the bottom on baking. Now we are just left with combining the dry and the wet ingredients together. Add the dry mix to the wet mix. We're going to do it in batches. This helps to fold the batter easily. Add the remaining flour. Fold them gently. Now add the red currants which are coated with the flour. Combine them in the batter. Here comes a special ingredient of this recipe, the chia seeds. Now the chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, good quality proteins, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Mix in the batter. Lastly, add fresh yogurt and combine well. Now our batter is ready. Set the baking tray with the muffin liners. We are going to scoop the batter into the liners. Just fill them to the half and keep space for rising. Also remember to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, tap the tray so that air bubbles escape out. Bake the muffins at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes or till the toothpick inserted comes out dry. Now I'm going to keep the muffins to cool, and in the meantime prepare the frosting. So for that, take a ball with some ice cubes. Place another clean ball over it. Add chilled whipping cream. And whip at high speed for 1 minute. Now add icing sugar. And whip again at high speed. Continue whipping till stiff peaks are formed. It may take about 3 to 5 minutes. Here frosting is almost ready. Now let's prepare the piping bag. Take a clean piping bag and any nozzle of your choice. Here I'm taking the plain round nozzle. Then fill the frosting into the piping bag. In case if you feel your frosting is melting, do refrigerate for some time and then continue. Generously frost your muffins with the whipped cream. Our red currant muffins with whipped cream is ready to serve. Try baking them and enjoy.